Okay, vignette tool. We begin with this simple image. Going to the edit. The vignette is changing the border. Add white or black color at the border. Vignette. I explain choose object later. Just simply going this amount to the right or the left. Go to the right, it brings a white area. Going to the left, it brings a black area. This is a vignette. The size, you can change the size of your vignette here. Advanced settings, you can choose a roundness, more round or less. Or you can feather, how smooth this transition will happen. No transition, a smooth feather or more feather. Inner light, you can add inner light for inner circle. Nice. This is a vignette, simple vignette. Going to catalog, and for example, I want to add vignette around this bicycle, this person. Going to the vignette, you simply can choose object. Instead of vignetting begin from center, it's begin from this part. I choose it, make amount, and as you can see, the vignette center come from here because of choose object. Because the center of our object we chosen here. And you can increase or decrease of inner light. You can increase the number of the inner light. This is a vignette, very simple. And you can come back. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.